Morning to all. Myself, Prabjot Kaur. I'm Assistant Professor in CSC Department of ABES Engineering College. Today we are going to study the use of super keyword in Java. So let's start. Basically, the super keyword refers to the objects of the immediate parent class. There are two uses of super keyword. First is to access the data member of a parent class when both parent and child class have member with the same name. Means if the data member of a parent class and child class both are having the same name, then to access the data member of a parent class, we need to use the super keyword. Second is to access the method of a parent class when child class has override that method. It means that if the parent class and child class both are having the same method name, then to access the method of a parent class, we need to use the super keyword because without using the super keyword, we are not able to access the method of a parent class as child class has override that method. I'm going to explain these two uses of super keyword with the help of basic example. So let's get started. First, I'm going to write a program that show the use of super to access the data member of a parent class. Here, in this, I am making a class that is parent, and here I have declared a variable num having the value 100. Now I have also made make a second class that is child class, which is inheriting the property of a parent class, and also here I have declared variable num. It num is also present in the parent class as well as it is also present in the child class. So to access the variable of a parent class, I have to use the super keyword, but just now I'm not going to use the super keyword just to show you that we are not able to access the data member of a parent class without using super keyword. We are only able to access the child class. So for for executing this program, first I have to make the main class. Without main, Java program cannot run. So we have to make a main class also. We have to make a main method also. Here I am making the object of a child class. Obj is an object of of a child class. And with the help of object of a child class, I'm going to call the method of a child class. Here you can see that we are able to access only the child class, that is, this is the child class, this one, and 200, that is this variable. We are not able to access this data member. To access the parent class data member, I have to use the super keyword. Now I'm using the super keyword after this line. Execute is execute again. Now we are able to access the data member of a parent class. That is, we are getting the 100 as output also. So I hope you understand this basic example. With this example, you are able to understand the use of super keyword in accessing the data member of a parent class. Now, the next use is to access the method of a parent class. For this, I'm going to write basic example, basic program. In this, I have just make a one class, that is parent class, and in this class, I have declare a method, that is show. After that, I'm making the other class also. Now I have make other class also, which that is child class, which inheriting the property of a parent class. And you are saying here that I have declared show method in parent class also, and same method is also declared in the child class. So to access the method of a parent class, we need to use the super keyword, but just now I am not using super keyword to show you that we are not able to access the method of a parent class. Before run this and for running this program, I have to make a main class. Now in this, I am going to make an object of a child class. And with the help of object of a child class, I am going to call the method of a child class. As you are seeing the output that we are able to access only the method of a child class, but we are not able to access the method of a parent class. To access the method of a parent class, that is this one, I have to use the super keyword. So after this line, I'm going to use the super keyword, super dot show. execute this again. Now we are able to access the method of a parent class also. I hope you understand the uses of the super keyword with this two basic program. This is all from my side. Thank you and have a good day.